What's the difference between an LLC and an S-Corp? Well, an LLC is a business entity. An S-Corp, however, is just a tax election or classification. In fact, I bet you didn't know that if you're an LLC owner, you can actually be taxed in different ways. I'm Camelia. I'm a business lawyer here at Imani Law. Our job is to form entities for our clients, and we also do S-Corp classification if our clients ask for it. Let me explain how this all works. Step 1 is to file a business entity. So let's say you file to be an LLC. Unless you elect to be taxed differently, your LLC will be taxed in the default way. So what does that mean? If you are a single member LLC, that means it's just one member, you're going to be taxed as what's called a disregarded entity. It's basically the same tax classification you would have if you were a sole proprietor. Now, if you're a multi-member LLC, meaning that you and another partner run the LLC, you're going to be taxed as what's called a partnership. And those are the default classifications or tax elections for your LLC. But what a lot of business owners do is they say, well, I don't want the default. I want to choose to be taxed in a different way. And a very popular election for LLCs is to choose to be taxed as what's called an S-Corp. The reason they choose to be taxed as an S-Corp is that being taxed as an S-Corp can save business owners a lot of money. Now, there are a lot of pros and cons to being an S-Corp, and those tax savings really come into play after your business is making a certain amount of money. So this is why not everyone would benefit from being an S-Corp, especially at the beginning when they first start their business. So to wrap this all up, the difference between an LLC and an S-Corp is one is a business entity and one is a tax election. If you want to get started on the LLC process or the S-Corp process or both, you can click the link in the bio, schedule a call with me. We can make sure that your LLC and S-Corp is set up the correct way and take care of all of the confusing paperwork for you. Hope this was helpful, and feel free to follow for more tips.